Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in today's video we are going to make a miniature doll notebook. So before starting the video, I would like to tell that this video is a collab with My Barbie Universe. She's a really awesome doll YouTuber and she makes doll related videos just like me. You should definitely check her video and her channel. I will leave the link in the description and on the eye in the top right corner right here. So without waiting, let's get on with the video. So in order to make a doll notebook, you're going to need paper. I printed out colorful designs on a paper like this to make the cover of the notebook, and paper for whatever color you want the inside pages to be. So we are going to start by making the cover of the notebook. So as I already showed the printed paper, I'm going to take the printed paper or whatever you want the cover of the notebook to be and lay it on the wrong side. Now we're going to mark the measurements on the paper that we want the notebook to be. For the measurement, I'm actually going to use this magazine that I got from some doll package as a guide. If you do not have any doll packaging, you can refer to the measurements that I am going to take from this magazine. So when opened, this magazine measures 5.4 centimeters. The sides of the notebook measure 3.4 centimeters. So I'm just going to draw the layout real quick. So as you guys saw, I made the pattern for the notebook. I made the tabs that will later on fold for the cover. So now I'm going to cut this cover out. Okay guys, so I have cut the cover for our notebook, as you can see. Now we're going to work on the inside pages for the notebook. So I cut out this long strip from a paper. The strip measures the same size as the main part of the notebook, as you can see. So for making the pages, I am going to make each page the same measurement as one of the tabs of the cover. So this individual tab here measures 2.7 centimeters. So the length for each sheet is going to be 2.7 centimeters. And we see I made the measurement. Now this is the point we are going to fold the paper from. Once you've properly folded the part where we made the measurement, we are going to fold it like this. So I've made a zigzag fold, as you can see. So now we're going to be folding zigzag until we reach the end. So after you're done with folding your paper, I am going to separate them to make them look like sheets. If you don't understand what I mean, I'm going to glue these tabs together like this so they become one paper sheet. And just like that, I am going to glue them all like this. Once you reach the end, you can even add more paper strips to make more pages. If you don't want to make more pages, you can leave it right there. Once you are done pasting all the sheets together, you will have two loose sheets at the end. Now we're going to glue those to the notebook here. Once you have glued the paper on the notebook, we're going to glue the tabs in place. So guys, after gluing in the tabs, I'm going to glue more strips of paper on the side to cover up the tabs. Once you're done covering the paper on the tabs, you're done with making your doll notebook. I think it's really super easy and super pretty and useful for your dolls. As you saw, it's super easy and does not consume time at all. And I think it's really cute to have a miniature notebook for your dolls. And that is it for today's video. So guys, I really hope that you liked this video, and don't forget to check out My Barbie Universe's video through the link in the description below, as I already told in the start. She's also making a DIY video. So before ending the video, I would like to give the shoutouts to to every single person that subscribed to my channel. I really appreciate it. And if you'd like a shout out in my next video, all you have to do is subscribe to my channel, ring the notification bell, comment down below done with hashtag subscriber number, and you'll get a shout out. So guys, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate it. Comment down below what you think about this video, or if you would ever want to recreate this video. And don't forget to check out My Barbie Universe's video and her channel through the link down below. So guys, I'll see you next time. Bye!